Hello everyone. Here I am going to explain you about Kushta Nidana as explained in Madhava Nidana. We are all know that Kushta Prakarana is a wide reference of dermatological conditions explained in Ayurveda. So we are having different references from Charaka Sushruta and Ashtanga Hridaya, Brihatrayi and also in the Lagutrayi. Now I am going to tell you about the Kushta Nidana as explained in Madhava Nidana. Here comes the shloka. विरोधीन यन्नपानानि द्रवस्निग्ध गुरूनि च भजताम् आगतां चर्तिं वेगांश्चन्यान् प्रतिज्ञतां व्यायाम अतिसन्ताप अतिभुक्त्वा च निषेविनां घर्मश्रम भयार्थानां धृतं शीताम्बुसेविनाम् अजीर्णाद्यशनं चैव पञ्चकर्मापचारिणां नवान्न दधिमत्स्याति लवणाम्ल निषेविनां माशमूलकपिष्टान्न तिलक्षीरगुडाशिनां व्यवायं चाप्यजीर्णे अन्ने निद्रां च भजतां दिवां विप्रान् गुरून् दर्शयतां पापं कर्म च कुर्वताम् वातादस्त्रयो दुष्टाः त्वग्रक्तं मांसमम्बुच दूषयन्ति सकुष्ठानां सप्तको द्रव्यसङ्ग्रहः अतः कुष्ठानि जायन्ते सप्त च एकादश एव च. This is the shloka. For our better understanding and convenience, we can make it into the parts. So you read like this. This will be very convenient for you and for the better understanding. So you divide it into the lines. The first line says that Virodhin Yannapanani Dravasnigdha Guruni cha. Acharya first focuses on the main cause. It is Viruddha Ahara and also the food which is having Dravasnigdha Guru, which is having more Dravasnigdha and Guru Guna. Means the most foods which we are taking is the soups, non-veg and heavy protein and fat will come under this category. The second line says that about the Vegadharana. Bhajatam Agatam Chartim Vegam Sanyana Anyan Pratignatam. Acharya says that the Pradhana Vegadharana is the Vamana Vegadharana, Chardi Vegadharana, and the remaining and also the other Vegadharanas will also contribute for the genesis of the Kushta. The second line, the first line is about the Pradhana Karana, Viruddhahara and Dravasnigdha Guru. The second line says about the Viruddha. Now we'll go to the third line. Third line says that Vyayama Atisantapa Atibhuktva cha Nishevinam. Atibhuktva, after taking heavy meal, if one is performing heavy exercises or performing any tithesome activities, it will lead to the kushta. So this is about the third line. Now we'll come to the fourth line. Fourth line says that Gharma Shrama Bhayarthanam Dhrutam Shitambu Sevinam. Fourth line focuses about taking water. So if one is taking water, particularly after getting exposed to heavy heat or sunlight, or after performing some tithesome activities, or after getting feared, so if one is taking instantaneously water in these conditions, so it will lead to the kushta. So the fourth line focuses about the taking of water. Now we'll come to the fifth line. Fifth line says that Ajirna Jashanan Chaiva Panchakarmapacharinam. So one who takes food with the ajirna or the foods which are having tendency to cause the ajirna, and the one who trespasses the rules as explained the panchakarma means vamana, virechana, vasti, nasya, raktamokshana. So if one is trespassing the rules as explained in Ayurveda for panchakarma, so they are more prone to causing getting the kushta, and also the foods which will cause the ajirna. So this is the fifth line. So next two lines says about the foods which will cause the kushta. So these two lines are very important. So navanna dadi matsya atilavana amla nishevina. So taking the newly harvested rice, curd and the fish, excess of salt and excess of sour. The next line says that Masha Mulaka Pishtana Tilakshira Gudashinam. So taking of urad dal, Masha, Mulaka, radish, Pishtana. Pishtana means it's a type of food with incompatible combinations. Pishtana Tilakshira Gudashinam. Taking til and Guda, jaggery, made of the foods. So these are all the types of foods. These two lines focuses on the types of the foods. Next line says Vyavayam chapyajirne anne. So performing the sexual activity instantaneously after taking the food, or when the food is getting digested, if one is getting participated in sexual activity, that can lead to the kushta. Vyavayam chapyajirne anne nidram cha bhajatam diva. So taking the afternoon sleep or morning sleep. So this will lead to the genesis of the kushta. Now we'll go to the next line. This is very, very important. The next line says that Vipran Gurun Darshayatam Papam Karmacha Kurvatam. The one who fights or do not respect the elders, Brahmins, or any intellectuals, or one who have the fight with them will lead to the kushta. Means this will cause this will lead to the mental factors, mind factors, which can cause some sort of autoimmune disorders that will lead to the manifestation of kushta. Next, so these are all the factors. Now you divide these lines in Madhava Nidana and you understand each line in a different way, what Madhavacharya explained in Nidana. So next is the Samprapti. Vatadastrayo dushtaha means all the three doshas because of the above said etiology will get aggravated. Vatadastrayo dushtaha tvagraktam mamsam ambucha. Tvag rakta mamsa and ambu. So 3 plus 4. Vata pitta kapha tvag rakta mamsa ambu. These 7. Dushayanti sa kushthanam. So all these together will get the dushti because these three doshas will cause these dushti, and after getting dushti, tvag rakta and mamsa, tvag rakta mamsa and ambu, after getting dushti, so all these 7 dushayanti sa kushtanam saptako dravya sangraha, these 7 are called as saptako, sapta dravyas of the kushta. Next line is Atah kushtani jayante. After getting the samprapti, this will manifest as a disease called kushta. Atah kushtani jayante saptacha ekadash evacha. Means 7 important, the mahakushta. This samprapti can lead to 7 types of mahakushta or ekadasha, 11 types of the kshudra kushta. This can be according to the balabala of the rogi and also the sapta kushta dravyas. So this can lead to the different types of kushta in the person. So when you are reading the Madhava Nidana, you read like this. This will be more friendly, and for the practitioners who are practicing Ayurveda, you make each and every line always to remember in your brain. This will lead to the easy understanding of the conditions of your patient getting into the clinic, and it will be very convenient for you to treat the patients. Thank you.